In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Squarespace subscription quickly and easily. Whether you're moving to a different platform or simply taking a break, I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you understand each part without any confusion. First, you need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Open your web browser and type in www.squarespace.com, or simply follow the link if you have it saved somewhere for convenience. Once there, you'll see the homepage. Take a moment to appreciate the sleek design and intuitive layout Squarespace is known for. Now go ahead and click on Get Started. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on Get Started, you will be routed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you can see all of your active projects and websites. Look for the Settings option, which is typically listed on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Settings to proceed further. So now that you're in the Settings section, the next step is to find the Billing option. Once you click on that, a drop-down menu should appear. From that menu, choose Subscription. This section manages all your billing details, from payments to invoicing. It's a good place to familiarize yourself with if you're interested in the financial aspect of your subscription. Within the subscription section, you'll see a list of all active subscriptions linked to your account. Carefully look through this list and locate the specific subscription you intend to cancel. It's important to be certain you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites or projects. Once you've selected the subscription in question, you should see an option to cancel it. Normally, this is labeled as Cancel Subscription. If you're on a free trial, keep in mind that the option might instead say Cancel Trial. Click on this option. At this point, the platform may ask you to confirm your decision. This is a standard practice to ensure you really want to proceed with the cancellation, as it can impact your site's accessibility and services. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. Remember, after confirmation, canceling a subscription means the site will eventually go offline, so ensure you've backed up any information or data you might need in the future. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to cancel your Squarespace subscription. This process is designed to be simple and user-friendly, ensuring you're not left in a tangle of complicated options. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made your transition away from Squarespace as smooth as possible. If you have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment or check out Squarespace's support resources for additional help.